Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a neon poster design with custom shapes. Start with a blank background, select custom shape tool and draw a heart shape, and also duplicate it and change color to electric pink, and also add outer glow with neon tone. Apply blur for light diffusions. Now add smaller shapes for spark details. Now type your title text below in glowing fonts. Also duplicate and blur text slightly for effect. It now looks like a real neon sign. Custom shape tool gives a perfect control for glowing outlines. Thanks for watching.